Good morning, it's Tuesday, happy caravan day. I'm going to be starting right here in Larchmont Village at a new build, and I have my friend Claire with me today, and I'm going to get her opinion on some of the properties. So hang with me, okay?
Side by side.
This is side-by-side duplex.
Side by side duplex.
They likely took down a couple of little houses. So Wilton's right there. So what I like is, yes, it's busy, but you're kind of in from the street. And you can't hear it. All of that area is Larchmont Village.
Super quiet over there.
So, can we go in?
But you know what I just don't really like about this?
The look? The style?
The scale compared to the adjacent buildings.
So that's interesting, right? To block the riffraff. Should I say that? No.
But I like it, but lighting is amazing. You get a lot of natural lighting in
You can see the Hollywood Hills from here, or maybe even your area. There's lots of food.
Nice and open living.
The floors are great. Thanks for not going cheap on the floor. Great kitchen. We'll be back for the...
Oh, wow. Some risque art right there. Did you see that?
I can't show that on Instagram. Oh, look at this. So my problem with this is, does it collect dust? Do I have to then dust my walls? No, it's like a stone.
No, it's like a, what do you call it? Textured...
A stone, a tile, right? I just don't, like, do you then have to dust it? We're at the top. You want to go this way first?
Yeah.
So there's that little patio we were just out on.
It does have a Malibu-esque feel to it. You know?
It is.
The light wood, the very, it's very...
Huge. Up at the roof, which way should we go? Right or left?
Left, right.
Oh.
Moving on now.
To the top. Okay. Oh, look. Hello. Can you bring a glass of wine?
You know what? You should have like one of those. What do you call them?
Dumb waiters.
Dumb waiter.
Dumb waiter. You dumb waiter. That's terrible.
Not a lazy Susan.
Okay, so I truly don't love that building, but whatever. Look at the Griffith Observatory right there. Look at the Homeland.
How did they get the permission to do this?
It's probably
to get permission to do something like this?
Well, it's probably zoned for it, and they just followed the rules. So there's your divider for the deck, right?
Right here.
Yeah.
I mean, if you really got along with your neighbors, you could just take the divider down.
Or you just buy it with a family member. Is that fun? Oh, I missed all of this. No way.
So this is like your family space, right?
No way. So this is ground level. Look at that baby backyard. There's your temporary pole for electric and your turf, which they didn't.
What do you mean temporary pole?
It's just there for now, and then when they get their certificate of occupancy, they pull out that.
What is that?
You put your groceries in there.
What?
And send them up to, maybe.
Oh, there you go.
And send them up to the kitchen.
Yeah, isn't that amazing?
So Claire and I really liked that last place, and even though it was $2.3 million, I thought it was probably worth it.
Well,
you could probably get over $8,000 in rent. So we're just like a third of a mile away. Is that Beverly or third? That's Beverly.
Red mulch. I've never seen red mulch before.
You know, they put it down as like an inexpensive quick fix.
Yeah.
It's not ideal.
Well,
the podocarpus is growing in.
Grass wouldn't grow here anyways. It's too shady.
Porch, good chunky door.
Daniel. Nice to meet you.
Cute. So original hardwoods, got some built-ins. Got a fun bathroom. That's an interesting tile.
Super cute.
And you still have your built-ins.
Where's that?
The tile, isn't that cute?
Mm-hmm.
And then decent sized bedroom with, what is this? So I guess it's a bedroom, but it's tandem. So someone's painting in here. This is really cute.
Like, it looks like they're using it as an art studio, but you can use this as an office if you want it.
Look at that pocket door.
It's like, wow.
That's crazy. I've actually never seen it all in one piece.
Isn't that wild? No.
This is very nice. The light's nice, right out to that yard. It's kind of fun, like the new and the old.
I like
Look
it.
at the purple sconces.
Oh,
And then
this is
another
their
room.
office. Looks like they're They use, yeah, it's the breakfast nook, but they use it as their office.
The fun furniture. You could pull that out and someone could sleep there if they needed to.
Sure. Right into the kitchen.
So the wood changes, looks more like a pine. It's kind of fun, like a transition. And then look at the modern lighting. How funny is that? Oh my God, and cookies. Oh my God. I am sticking one in my mouth in a minute. Then you have your washer dryer tucked there, and then you have still have a prep area, which is nice for a small. Lighting's interesting in here.
What is this, a cellar?
Yeah. Claire has discovered this thing in the...
It's like Wheel of Fortune, but this obviously was for a kid's birthday party.
Or an adult one.
Really? I don't know. Dance off? Maybe. Dino impressions.
Some more. Okay. That's
Power
crazy.
To the people. How creative.
We're like peeking in the garage because it's extra deep. And this is where they put all their stuff to clean up.
Hi, we're here again. So, both of us, I think, love that last house.
Nice fusion of old and new. Very respectful of the existing architectural elements.
And a lot of fun, but like appropriate. Like fun sconces,
Lighting,
fun
fixtures,
colors.
yeah, and the decor, basically. They sort of marry the old and the new, but very seamlessly.
So we love it. And yes, it's priced 1.1, which I thought was under. And it's up against an apartment building, and then at the corner there's commercial. So it'll be interesting to see what happened. But it felt very private because there's a lot of tropical, right?
No, the backyard was a retreat. It was completely private. Lots of mature plantings. And wouldn't you say it's quieter? Considering how close it is to Beverly?
It was extremely quiet.
Yeah.
This is the fun part of being a realtor. We have to cover up our shoes.
Oh, so we just put these...
Put them right over your
right on
booties.
top?
Yep. So we have newer floors with older floors and some old details. And by old, I mean yay.
Yay.
Oh my gosh, look at the lead windows here in the built-ins.
So pretty.
So see the mismatched styles? Oh my God.
No.
Yes. Turn around. Come
No,
on.
I can't.
Yes, come on.
I'm not gonna look. No.
Oh my God.
Wait, are we like back in the 80s?
I don't know what we are, but look. Look at that disco ball.
What is that?
Wow.
Actually, I kind of like it.
You can redo your kitchen now.
I know. It's very shiny. This is an alternative to like your traditional mirror.
Claire.
What is that?
Great.
That
Right?
is amazing.
All the wood. The windows are intact.
What is that? Oh, that's the air conditioning?
That's an odd shape, but maybe it's just the
That's
way.
air conditioning.
Guess that price. Do, 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 do. What are you going to say?
I'm gonna say.
Do, do, do.
I'm gonna say
Do, 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 do.
1.9.
A little bit less.
1.8.
I think it's 1740. Let's go check.
Okay.
So not terrible.
No, I wasn't. Yeah.
Not bad.
1.74.
40. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
I just don't